A fiber network's efficiency depends not just on its design and implementation, but also on its maintenance. To expand networks or troubleshoot issues, teams need real-time accurate documentation. Introducing Fiber Config, the Fiber Configuration Manager, or FCM, a powerful tool that gives network planners and field technicians instant access to the latest network data. Fiber Config connects contractors, client, project managers, supervisors, field technicians, and administrators through a centralized system. It's powered by a secure virtual private server, storing all critical network data, drawings, and photos. System administrators manage and update data through a web-based dashboard, while field users access network details through the Fiber Config mobile app, available on iOS and Android. Whether you're tracking infrastructure or reviewing documentation, Fiber Config keeps your network aligned and up to date. Each network element, such as street cabinets, handholds, and splice boxes, is tagged with a unique identifier. Technicians can access details in the app by tapping their phone to an NFC or RFID tag, scanning a QR code, or entering the element code manually. Once scanned, the Fiber Config app instantly retrieves and displays critical information, ensuring every detail is accurate and up to date. Inside the app, users can view network element details, such as site location and operator information, access construction drawings and splice diagrams, and view and upload photos to document field conditions. Fiber Config also includes a built-in quality assurance module to ensure compliance and consistency across projects. Contractors complete inspection checklists directly in the app, while approval workflows guide submissions through each validation stage. Photos, documents, and field conditions are recorded in real time, and handover reports are auto-generated in Excel format. Every action is logged, ensuring full traceability and compliance. When network elements are modified, accuracy is key. Users can submit an element change request by logging the change, adding a description, and uploading supporting photos or documents. Once submitted, the system automatically notifies the administrator, ensuring network records remain up to date. Fiber Config also integrates geospatial mapping, allowing users to visualize network infrastructure. Users can view detailed markers and polylines for fiber routes or zoom in on elements to reveal critical details. Advanced tools like distance to fault and lasso selection make it easy to isolate and analyze specific areas. The distance to fault tool helps locate faults along fiber routes using test measurements. Users select a known network element, enter the OTDR measured distance to fault, and the app calculates the likely break location, accounting for directional changes in the route. This precision tool minimizes downtime, helping teams move from test result to fix faster than ever. The lasso selection tool allows users to draw a polygon over any area of the network on the map to quickly select and analyze all network assets within that boundary. The side panel shows all asset data for that selection and can be exported into a bill of materials for planning or reporting. From the field to the desktop, the Fiber Configuration Manager brings your data together into a single, real-time source of truth. Customizable, scalable, and built for today's networks. Fiber Config enables teams to enhance network planning, streamline maintenance, improve data accuracy, and ensure your network operates at peak efficiency today and into the future.